Sujata writes, are there any mutual fund schemes which invest in commodities and forex?
No, there are no mutual funds which invest in commodities, and you don't have or forex. But there are funds, which are dollar denominated. You look at all the US opportunity for fund or the Nasdaq 100 fund. You put your money in rupee, and the money gets invested in the US market, in US stock. Okay. And so if rupee depreciates, those funds benefit. So in that sense, they are denominated in other. You invest in rupee, the money is invested in some other market, in some other denomination, in some other currency, and when you redeem your money, that money gets redeemed, translated into rupee, and then you get it. So in a way, you get the foreign exchange exposure through those international funds.
But would you recommend?
Yes, I would recommend them, not for this reason. Okay. Rupee will depreciate against dollar over a long period of time anyway, till we have the difference in interest rates. The real thing is that the reason why you why you invest in a mutual fund is to gain diversification. Investing internationally should be integral part of one's portfolio. If you have any portfolio, I think 20-25% of that should be invested abroad, because our jobs are here, our investments are here, or our investments are into mutual funds or are in companies which are in India. De-risking ourselves from that, and also the quality of company, the kind of investment universe that you get by investing in some of these funds are phenomenal. They're global leaders in which you're able to participate. And incidentally, right now, if you look at some of the international funds, they turn out to be the best performing funds. The best performing fund available to Indian investors happens to be the US funds. Every dog has its day. In that sense, you will have the cyclicality. Indian equity was the best performing, or Indian equity funds were the best performing fund last year. But things change. So don't, you should have it for the right reason. You should have it and have a long-term investment time frame.